Hello, myself Devendra Mandel, Assistant Professor of Economics, Government First Grade College, Chikodi. Today we will discuss regarding industrial estates and its objectives. Earlier we know and we studied about the actual meaning of industrial estates and what is the importance, what the role actually it plays in an development, either the industry or the else. So today we will learn about a little bit about its meaning and objectives of industrial estates. So already we know the introductory part of this. So it's very essential for the setting up of industrial estate because it plays a very important role in industrial development. To promote industrial development, the government of India has initiated several measures and provided various incentives. In that, this is also one. The government launched the program of setting of industrial estate in 1955. So you already know about this particular thing. So next thing is of about its meaning. An industrial estate is a place where necessary infrastructural facilities are made available to entrepreneurs. Necessary infrastructural facilities are made available to entrepreneurs. An industrial estate is a place, in other words, in other sense, we also define in this way also, is a place where the required facilities and factory accommodation are provided by the government to the entrepreneurs to establish their industries there. So when you come to the point of objectives, ensuring well planned and structured industrial development, it ensures well planned and structured development of that industry to provide the necessary infrastructures. Presently, for the development of industry, there need basic infrastructures. So all these necessary infrastructures are provided by this to provide common facilities to a number of industries. So in basic infrastructure, common facilities are so needed to promote development of clusters. Cluster wise, that we already referred in other meaning, in other way also we define that it also helps in regional balance development in that way also, to enable small units to source products from one another, enable small units to source products from one another, to enable disposal of industries, to promote balanced regional development. It helps. What I always said that it helps in balanced regional development, to ensure development of backward areas, to provide a climate for smooth functioning of industrial enterprises. So for the smooth function of industrial enterprises, they need a climate. That climate should be provided by this one. So decentralize industries to the rural and backward areas, encourage the development of small scale industries in the country. It also encourages the development of small scale industries in the country. Encourage the acceleration in surrounding of major industrial units. So all these are the main objectives of industrial estates. So overall, industrial estate, the concept itself plays a vital role in the development of Indian economy with the help of industrial development.